Here are the top things that you need to think about when preparing for your Japan trip. Customs forms. So there is a way to do your customs forms before you get to the airport in Japan. There's a website you can go to where you can get all your information together and then print a QR code that's prepared and ready to go when you see the customs peoples. Considering your medication, did you know you're not allowed to bring certain medication into Japan? And this includes over-the-counter medications that we use every day in America. Phone plans. What are you doing? Are you switching to international with your phone or are you using a SIM card? Notifying your bank or credit card. They will shut down your credit card if you do not tell them that you're over there. How much cash should I take? And are there ATMs over there that I can use with my bank? Emergency numbers are good to note and keep in your phone when going abroad. What Japanese activities do I need to book? Because in Japan, sometimes in bigger cities, they book up a month in advance. Yikes. Need more information? Well, I have sessions going on in Fiverr. I can also answer personal questions and give you a document containing all the detailed information on what I just went over. Link in bio.